Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh and you are watching Beam Up channel, and in today's video I'm going to design a small toilet design, or you can say a bathroom design. So this is going to be the part of interior design, so let's get started. So first of all, just open the Revit and go to the models. After that, click on new, and over here you can select the imperial architecture template and press OK. And now that the template has been opened, now we have to make one of the actually two walls, that is one of 9 inches and one of 4.5 inches. So let's see. So just go to the wall, go to the basic wall, and here you can see we have an 8 inches wall over here, and the basic wall of Indian category is of 9 inches. So just go to the edit type here and click on duplicate and write its name as 9 inches, and then press OK. Then go to edit and then edit the thickness of this wall. So just give it a thickness of 9 inches and press OK. After that, we need a 4.5 inches wall. So what you can do is you can do the same thing. Just go to the edit and go to duplicate, and over here just select 4.5 inches and press OK. Go to edit and just change the thickness to 4.5 inches, and now we are done. So now just go to the wall, and in wall what we can use is 4.5 or 9. We have both the options. So for the back of the wall I'm going to use the 9 inches, and over here on both the sides, or you can say all the three sides, maybe I'm going to use it in this 4.5 inches. So let's get started. And so where is my 9 inches wall? Here. And here, if you are not getting this modify panel, just click over here so you can get this option. And now just make a wall something like average bathroom size is like 6 to 8 feet, or 6 to 8 feet is much larger, so just keep it like that. After that, now we need 4.5 inches on both the sides, so just select 4.5 inches wall and make a wall from here and from here. So now we have something like this. If you go to 3D view, now you can see that this is how it looks, but there's one problem, that is this level is going to the upper level, that is level 3. So let's change this one. First of all, just go to the any of the view, and as you can see our level 2 is at 10 feet and this is showing the wall up to 20 feet maybe. So just select all the wall in. You can also select this walls in 3D view, so just select it like this. After that, you can go to the drop constraint, and over here just click over here, and now you can click on up to level 2, and now you will see that this wall dimension has been decreased. So now you can go to the front view, and now you can see this is how our wall looks. After that, we also need to provide a wall in the front section, so I'm going to provide this as a let me provide it as a 9 inches wall on the front side also. Okay, so let me something like this. Okay, and let me increase the size of it a little bit more. So let's just keep it something like 9 feet over here, and on this side let's keep it as 7 feet maybe. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to apply some of the elements, and we need to make some of the wardrobe type over here. So, and before that, what else we can do is we can apply the floor. So first of all, let's just provide the floor. So go to the floor. Where is that floor? Over here you can see the floor, and now as you can see the floor section is of 12 inches. So just go to edit type, duplicate it, and usually our floor is of 6 inches, so just rename it as 6 inches. Go to edit type and edit the thickness to 6 inches, and okay. So now we are done. Okay, and now as you can see this 6 inches floor has been selected, and just go to this rectangle option, and you can make a flow from this part to this part, and maybe there's one more thing that is hiding underneath it, this one. Okay, so now we are done. Yes, so just finish it, and now you can see that the floor has been provided underneath this walls. After that, just select this one, and you can also copy it to the second level. So just go to the copy, paste, align to selected level, level 2, and now as you can see you can paste it over here. And after that, as you can see that these walls are going inside the floor. So what we can do is you can just go to the front view, and over here from left side you can select all the wall. Now if you go to 3D view, you can see that all the floor has been selected, and these are going underneath this top flow. So here we have an option that is attach top base, so just click on it and then select your floor, and now as you can see that the colliding walls are now shifted a little bit downside. Now what we have to do is we have to make some of the things inside this toilet. So, and there's one more thing, that is the ceiling. So we also need to provide a ceiling over here. So to provide a ceiling, just go to ceiling over here and then keep the height offset of ceiling something at 8 feet. And as you can see this we already have a ceiling that is 2 by 2 and 2 by 4 feet. So just select this 2 by 4 and then make a ceiling over here, and now go to 3D view, and as you can see the ceiling has been provided, and we will edit it later on. So you can hide this top flow while just selecting this one and pressing double time the H button on your keyboard. So now as you can see this floor has been hidden. After that we need to make some of the uh, what we can say is something like wardrobes type. So let's get started making our wardrobe. So we can make our wardrobe by model in place. So to make a wardrobe, what you can do is first of all you go to level 1. Over here you can go to this section button and create a section. So just create a section something like this and go to this view, and now as you can see this is our section view. So this is just a view that we can see from here. As you can see this is just a cut from here. So you can also use the 3D view. So let's make this thing in 3D view and then we will use that section view. So just go to this front view, hide this wall, go to component, model in place, and then select generic model and press OK. Then go to extrusion, then set the plane, pick a plane and press OK. And now you need to select this back wall. Okay, so select this wall and now you can draw anything on this wall. So we are going to make a wardrobe over here. So just go to this rectangle and make an extrusion. So this will be something like more than half of the bathroom. So now as you can see this is 5 feet 6 inches. So let's just keep it 5 feet 6 inches and press OK. And now you can go to 3D view, you can increase the extrusion size. So right now it is at 1 foot and I want to increase it till 1 foot 6 inches. So that's it, 1 foot 6 inches. Now we need to make a hole inside this one. So either you can make that hole or you can leave it, we can adjust it later on. And we need to make a mirror over here and that basin over here. So let's try to make that one first. Or what we can do is we can make something on this wall. So what I'm thinking is of making some grooves in the walls and this wardrobe area. So to make that we need to make a family. So how we are going to make the family is just go to this file, go to here as new, and as you can see here we have a family. Go to the family, select English, and in English you can go for generic floor based maybe. So face based. Okay, so I'm going to select this metric generic model face based and open it, and now we'll get something like this. Over here what you need to do is you need to make some of the reference planes. So press RP on your keyboard. So this is the shortcut for the reference plane, and just make two of the references over here, one on the top side, one on the bottom side, and two reference on both the sides, something like this. Okay, and now we need to make an void extrusion. So as you know that groove is a void in the wall, so we are going to make that one. So select this void extrusion and then pick this pick lines, and over here select this lock button and offset it by 1 by 4 inches. So let's try this 1 by 4 inches. I think 1 by 4 inches is way too small. or maybe it will work for us. So on the both side, just pick this line, pick this reference, and make a wall something like this. And now you need to pick this top line, that top reference, and the bottom reference, and then you can trim it. So just trim it like this from all the sides. Okay, and we need to align it with this reference line actually. So just align it, lock it, and align with this reference and lock it. So if we are locking it, what happens is, if you, okay, just press OK, and now you will see that there's an extrusion made over here. So we need to make a cut between this wall and the extrusion. And as you can see that in this reference, this void is being locked with the reference. So just select this reference, and now if you increase the size of this reference line, as you can see that the size of this void is also increasing with this reference. Okay, so what else you can do is, you can make this parametric. So to make this parametric, we need to assign the length of it. So just go to the dimension, and first of all select this one and select this one. And now as you can see, we have given it a dimension. Just select this dimension, and then just go to this create parameter, and in parameter you can rename it as, or you can give it a name of height. So height, and then you can select this instance and press OK. So now if I increase the size of this, I will increase the height of this reference something like 2000, press OK, and now you can see that this moves with the void, or this void moves with the reference. Okay, and now what if you want to increase the size of this extrusion? So first of all, let me show you that how this extrusion looks like. So if you go to 3D view, as you can see, this extrusion is coming outwards, and we need it underneath this wall. So for that, you can just give it an extrusion of minus something like 3 inches maybe, or 1 inches. Let me try to give it as actually 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 inches. So I'm just giving it a height of minus 1 by 4 inches. And now as you can see, this is how it looks. Now we need to make a cut. So to make a cut, just go to this modifies, and here you can select this cut. And before that, what if I want to increase? Okay, let's just leave it like that. This will work for us right now. So just select this cut, select your wall, and then select your void. And now as you can see, this cut is visible to us. So this is how we want our world to look like. So just go to load this project, and then go to the 3D view. Okay, I think this is not going to work in 3D. Let me check. Yes, so this is actually working in 3D view. So just go to the front view and select your void. You can move it easily, and you can also change the height of it. So I will tell you how to change the height of it. So as you can see, you cannot change the height in 3D view. So to change the height, what you have to do is, you can go to any of this view. So let me go to the north view, from which angle it is visible. So go to north view, and then select your front wall and double S to hide it. So I'm just selecting. Okay, this is not the north view actually. Let me go to the south view. Select your front wall. This is our front wall. Okay, this one, press tab, select this wall, double S to hide this wall, select your void, and now you can increase the size of this void. So this is how it looks. And in case you want to reduce the size of this void, you can always go to edit family and reduce or increase the size of this void. So now let me make some copy of it. So to make a copy of it, what you can do is, you can either select it and copy it like this, or what else you can do is, you can just select it, and then, okay, first of all, let me decide what I'm going to do is, I'm going to provide a mirror in between, or not the mirror, glass panel in between. So this is going to be our bath area, and this is our going to the area where we are going to place WC, or you can say the water closet. So let's try this one. Okay. So first of all, just select this void, go to array, and then you can select this last, and let's just make it till midpoint actually. Okay. So now it is asking us for the number, so I'm going to give it something like 5, and let's try it. Okay, this didn't work for us, so just select this and make a copy of it. So now you can also see the distance between this both, so just check it out. So this is like 3.5 inches, so we can make it 3 inches. Let's just move it a little bit on the inner side. Okay, it is showing as 8 inches difference. Okay, let's just copy it multiple times. So copy it from here. So, okay, and I didn't select the multiple copy, so select the multiple copy from here, and now you can copy it as many as you want. So these are not much in numbers, so you can just copy it like this, or you have to use the array option. So I think this should be enough for us, because we need to provide a water closet area also, and also a glass panel in between. So to provide the glass panel in between, first of all, hide this ceiling, so double S to hide this one. Go to the top view. So as you can see, these voids are visible to us now. So go to architecture, and now we need to provide a glass wall, or you can say the glass partition over here. So for that, go to the wall, select curtain wall, and remember to select the curtain wall, not the exterior glazing or storefront, because this comes with the mullions, and we need to provide the mullions by our mindset. So let's just provide a partition over here, so it is something like 4 feet. Okay, and now here, as you can see, this is 90 degrees, so it is a straight one. And now you can go to 3D view, and as you can see, this curtain partition has been provided, but there's one problem, that is this curtain partition is going over this build model. So, and here is our ceiling is at 8 feet, so we need to provide the top offset at -2 feet. Maybe this should work for us. Yes, so this is the exact size of this wardrobe. Now we need to make some changes to this wardrobe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a small area over here to put something inside here. So for that, we need to make a void, so just select this wardrobe, go to edit in place, and let's select this model line first and make something from the middle. So this is our partition. Okay, this is not visual. Let me use the detail line if I can use. Okay, we cannot use, I think. Okay, no problem. So just go to the front view, go to create, go to void, and void extrusion. So we actually, okay, as you can see, this is actually visible to us. If it is not visible to you, what you can do is you can go to wireframe mode. Okay, and now let's just use this pick lines option and make something of 4 inches on the top and 4 inches on the bottom, so it will be like 8 inches void in between this wardrobe. So 4 inches or 3 inches maybe. Okay, let's just take it as 3 inches on the top and 3 inches on the bottom. Will it work out? Okay, so maybe a little larger, so take it as 4 inches. Maybe 4 inches will be a little bit a stretch for us, but that would work. Okay, so now as you can see, we have made something like this, and this is a void actually, I think. Yes, and create a model line from here and just attach it. and give it an option, I mean extrusion end of minus, this was of 1 feet 6 inches, so we can apply it as 1 feet 3 inches. Okay, so and press OK. Now as you can see, the void is visible to us. Here what we need to do is, the void is visible, but there's one problem. Okay, there's one more problem, that is we need to provide this void on the outer side. So extrusion start is at maybe 2 inches. Okay, and extrusion end you can give it any number, so I'm going to give it as 2 feet over here. So 2 feet or minus 2 feet actually. So minus 2 feet. Let's see, yes, this works out for us. So you can also reduce the size of it, but remember to keep it on the outer side of this wardrobe. And now we need to make a cut on this. If you will finish it, it will give you an error. So as you can see, this is giving us an error. That is one more dimension or reference are not have become invalid. Okay, just cancel it, go to cut, then select this wardrobe, and then try to select your void. And now as you can see, the void has been made. Just click on the finish model. Okay, there's something. Okay, now as you can see, this void is ready for us. Now just delete this line. Okay, for that you need to go to edit in place, select your line that is visible to us, and delete it. And now we need to make something of wood on the outer side. So first of all, here go to display option and select hidden lines, go to the front view, and we need to make something on this front actually. So you can also, okay, let's just go to the front view only, and then go to create extrusion and use pick line option. Okay, and here give it an offset of 1 inches, and let's try to make it. So this is how it looks, and let's try to finish it and give it an extrusion end of 2 feet. And extrusion will start at, as you can remember, we give it an extrusion start of minus 2 inches, and then go to front view, go to edit extrusion. Actually this is a bit too long for us actually, so just go to the pick lines, and here give it an offset of 1/2 inches, and then make it on the outer side of this extrusion, and then trim it. So as you can see, this is not properly trimmed, so we need to delete it, and again go to pick lines and make a line of 1/2 inches on the top of this line, and then trim it. And let's just check it out. So 2 inches is a bit too longer. Okay, we need to make few more changes. So first of all, we are giving it a size of 1 feet 3 inches on the outer side. No, 1 feet 6 inches, 1 feet 6 inches, and we need to align it with the outer side. So just go to this view, go to extrusion, and can we scale it? So let's try to scale it. Yes, so to scale it from here to here, maybe this should not work first. Just delete this extrusion, go to pick lines, and then pick all the outer side actually first. Okay, and then trim it. So we are making this one once again, and again go to pick lines, give it an offset of 1/2 inches, and now select this lines, and now just trim it, and now I think it's perfect. So yes, go to finish, and now as you can see, this is perfect. And if you would like to change something over here, so let's just try to change it, make it on this side so that nothing gets collided. So now we have this portion, and now that we have made these things, we have to provide it a material. So to provide it with a material, select this one, go to category, and over here rename it as wardrobe material. Okay, and keep it as instance so that we can change it from the outside. And this one also we need to provide it with materials, so just rename it as wooden material or something like storage, void action storage. Let me give it a name, void storage. Okay, and keep it also as instance and press OK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide it with a wooden color, and this one something like greenish. So I already have a color that in my mind, so this is the color. So I will tell you how to use this one. And before that, we have finished the wall, so just finish it. And now as you can see, this is visible to us. So now we need to provide a WC over here. To provide a WC, I have a family, so over here, so I will provide the families in the description, so just check it out. And where is that one, WC? Yes, this one. So first of all, open your Revit project, go to architecture or go to insert. Okay, then load family. Here you can select the file where you have saved it. So I'm going to this toilet folder, and over here I'm going to select this family, open it. Okay, now press CM. As you can see, CM is the shortcut for the component, or you can go to component and place a component, and just try to place the component over here. And as you can see, this is actually not working for us, so let me try to keep it in the alignment actually. So I think there's some problem with the family. Okay, let me try to use this work plane option. Yes, now I can use it. So work plane option has worked for us, but we need to keep it on the outer side. So just select your toilet, move it, and first of all just move it on the outer side, then you can select it and keep it on a little bit height. So just remove the constraints, and now let me try to move it. Or we can use, okay, actually we cannot move it the way we want, so let me remove this constraints. Okay, and activate this disjoint, and now you can move it on the top maybe, or we can give it an offset, height offset. So actually we need to make some changes to this family. So either you can make the changes to the family, or you can use the Enscape family that is provided by Enscape assets, so you can also use that one. But I think this looks good to us. I just need to provide it with a height. Okay, let me go to the edit family, select this one, select the family, and then elevation is at 400 millimeter. Let me give it something like 600. Go into project. As you can see, this is project 3 that we are using, and then override existing version and parameter values. And now as you can see, this is on the top, so 600 millimeter is half of it, I think. So this is bit to top, so let me edit it and provide it with something like minus 200 elevation. Elevation is at minus 300. Let me try it. Okay, so 300, load into project. Okay, and override. The 300 is little too low, let me try to provide it at 500. 500, load into project. Okay, and now I think that this should work for us. Okay, let's just leave it up. After that, we need to provide a flush over here. So first of all, let me search the middle of it actually, and this is not in the middle. So just go to DL, detail line, or you can use a line or model line. So I'm just using this model line. Okay, this would not work in 3D actually. So go to the north view or the south view. Okay, and over here you can go to model line, pick a plane, pick this plane, and now just try to make a line from this section to this section, and then select the middle of it over here, and then try to move this one in the middle. So align it, actually align this portion with this one. Okay, we are doing something wrong. Align, select this one, now yes. So now we have moved it. You can delete this model lines. Now go to 3D view, and now as you can see, this is the perfect place. After that, we need to provide a flush. So I also have a flush family. You can also make it a wire family. So we are not going to do that right now. We are going to use the easiest method. So now I've shown you how to insert the Revit family. So over here you can go to insert load family, go to the place where your family is and select the family that we require. So view large icon, okay, not this large, select the large icon, and now we need to select that flush. Yes, this one, sanitary toilet. This family, you will get this in the description. So save the project. Okay, let me make a folder. We already have a folder, just make a folder inside it and rename it as toilet interior YouTube, and let its name is toilet. Go to option, and over here you can see the maximum save file is 3. I'm going to keep it at 1. Okay, save it. So now we also need to provide a void between this wardrobe. So just select your void and press yes on your keyboard, or you can go to this place and you can see we have an option that is create similar. So just select your void, go to create similar, or you can just load your void and just press your key anywhere over here. So now as you can see, this void family is way too large for us. Go to the south view, select this one, and first of all let me align it. So just align it, align this with this one. Now we have aligned it. Now we can make it a smaller one. So as you can see, this is way too on the top side. So now I have edited this one and done, I think. Yes, after that we need to make a basin over here and a mirror on the top side. So first of all, let's get started with mirror. So you can again go to 3D view. Okay, press HR on your keyboard and just hide the front wall, or you can delete the front wall. So you have both the option. So I'm just going to hide it. After that, go to the front view, go to architecture, go to component, model in place, and over here you can select generate model, press OK, and write its name as mirror. So now you need to select any one of it. So I'm going to make it as a mirror, and before making a mirror, as I can remember that we need to provide something on this side, so we are going to provide it with a wall. So let's make a wall first. Okay, so rename it. So just cancel it, cancel model, go to architecture, go to component, model in place, and go to the wall, select this one, press OK, and make it as wall, or you can say marble wall, marble or tile wall. Okay, and then go to extrusion, set plane, pick a plane. Okay, go to 3D view and then select your wall. So this is our plane where we are going to make the wall, and I'm not able to select it actually, so let's try another way. Okay, now as you can see, we have selected the back wall. Go to the front view, go to rectangle and make a wall from here to here. We will change it later on, and then just finish it and finish. Select this one, hide the side wall, select your wall and then go to edit in place. And now extrusion start at 0 and end at 1 inches. Let's try this. So now we have an extrusion over here, 1 inches extrusion or maybe 2 inches. So our tile or marble is usually of 1 to 2 inches. Okay, it is actually of 2 inches size. So finish it, and now where is our wall? Okay, this is inside the wall. So we need to select this one, or you can press undo, Ctrl Z, undo it, select it and give it an offset of 4 inches and start at 2 inches. Let's try this. Is it visible to us? No. So let's just try to make it in 3D only. So this is our start, and our start is at 4.5 inches and our extrusion end is 6.5 inches. So now it is fine. Okay, finish it, and then we need to make a basin. So to make a basin, go to architecture, component, model in place, generic model and press OK. Let's try to, okay, first of all we are going to make the mirror. So select this one, and this is the circle. Set a plane. We haven't set a plane till now. Select this one and then go to the circle and make it of 1 by 5. Okay, 1 foot 5 inches. We can decrease the size of it. 1 foot 3 inches. Let's try it. 1 foot 3 inches is the perfect size, or maybe you can reduce it. 1 foot 2 inches. Okay, so now we need to move it in the middle. First of all, finish it. Okay, then let me try the annotation. Will it work for us? No. So I'm just checking the size of it. It is 3 feet 1.5 inch. First of all, finish it. Go to model line and just make a model line. Go to the south view, select model line, select the starting of this wall, ending of this wall, and then make something from the middle. Select this one, go to edit in place, select this, press SC, go to extrusion, press SC. Okay, the center line is not working for us, so we are going to align it. Align. Okay, actually we cannot even align it, so let's just keep it like this. Okay, finish it. And now what we need to do is we need to make extrusion on top of it. First of all, we need to give it an offset, not an offset. We need to provide it with an extrusion. So keep it at 1 inches and let's finish it. Go to 3D view and check this out. Yes, so this is our mirror, and then what I need to do is I need to provide a light on top of this one. So select this or go to architecture, model in place. Okay, we didn't provide the material, so go to edit and select this one, and over here go to material, provide it with a material, rename it as mirror material, mirror, material, go to instance, press OK and OK. And now finish this model, go to architecture, go to component, model in place, and we need to make one more component over here. So just go to generic model and give it a name of light and press OK. Then go to extrusion, pick lines and give it an extrusion end of 1 inches. So 1 inches offset will work for us. Let me try it. So this is overlapping actually, I don't know why. Okay, go to the front view, then set plane, pick up plane, select the mirror, extrusion start at 0 and end at 154 inches. Okay, pick the line and then we need to provide it with an offset, so provide it with 1 inches offset and one more offset over here. Just delete the outer line, we don't require this one. And now let's try to finish it and check this out. Yes, this is fine. And then just give it a material, so rename it as light material. So last one was mirror I think, and this is light. Okay, keep it at instance. Okay, okay, and finish it. And let me check the mirror actually. So go to this edit in place, select this one, go to this place and mirror material. Okay, you can also give it a mirror material, so just create a new material, rename it and rename it as one dot mirror material. Okay, and then go to asset, search for mirror and okay, the mirror is not directly working for us, so let me see where's that mirror. No, this is not the mirror that I want. Okay, we were searching in the wrong place actually. So over here select the mirror, and now we have some of the mirror over here. Select this mirror and now you have the mirror, just apply it. Okay and okay and okay, finish the model. And for the light we need to provide it with an illuminating material, so actually go to right here. You can see we have already provided a parameter for this one, so just click on this three dots and then create a new material and rename it as white light and rename it as one dot white light actually. And then go to user and appearance. Okay, go to asset library. Over here search for the light, anything that has luminance in it, you can use that one. Okay, so do we have anything like that? No, I don't think so. LED green light off. Okay, let's just select this white material actually, and then this would not work out for us. Let me select some other family. LED. Let me change the color of this LED to white and self illumination is on, so you can just select the white color. LED is okay. You can use the LED panel or LED screen. Let me select fluorescent bulb. Okay, and now as you can see the self illumination is on, so it is going to shine. So we will say those things in the rendering part, so just apply it for right now. And now we need to make a basin, and yes, as you can remember I told you that we need to provide a flush button. So go to this front view, architecture, insert actually. Go to load family, select the sanitary. So I think this one or this one, you can use any one of it. I'm going to provide all this family in the description. So right now I'm using sanitary toilet strain. Okay, and just load it, then press CM on your keyboard and just try to probe. Okay, this is not working out for us. Go to component, place a component family, and where is that? Okay, now you can see this is over here, and you can just provide it on the top and then align it in the middle. So just align it, and we cannot find the middle of it. So again, model line. Okay, actually go to the south view, and let me try to align it with the middle side. Yes, now as you can see, I've aligned it correctly. After that, the only part, okay, not the only part, we need to also make some changes to the walls. So we are going to do that later. First of all, okay, and go to 3D view, level 1, and as you can remember, I made a section over here. So now we are going to use that section. So if you double click on this section, you can only see that view that was being shown to us after hiding the walls. Now as you can see, this is clearly visible to us. So we are going to use this one only. So go to component, model in place, and then generic model, and write its name as basin wardrobe. So we are going to provide a double wardrobe inside of underneath the basin. Okay, so go to extrusion first, pick a plane, and then pick the back wall. After that, go to rectangle, and then okay, let me try the pick lines. So 3 inches from both the sides, 3 inches from this side, 3 inches from this side, and then give it a height offset of 9 inches from the bottom, and then we need to give it a size of maybe 1 foot 6 inches. Let me try it first. 1 foot 6 inches. If it is appropriate, then we'll go ahead. No, I think we need something like 2 feet, and then let me try it. Okay, then trim it, trim this from all the corners, and then finish it. Go to 3D, select this one, and then extrusion end should be at 1 feet 8 inches, so a little bit on the outer side. Okay, then select this one, go to front view, and go to edit extrusion, and select rectangle, or you can also use the void option. So right now we have both the option. I'm going to use this one only. Then give it an offset of 1 inches, 2 inches, and then make a rectangle. Press the spacebar. As you can see, by pressing the spacebar, the offset is going from outside to inner side. Press OK, and I think it's a little bit larger. So let me try 1 inches actually. Again, same thing on the inner side. Press OK. Go to 3D view, and this is a little bit larger actually. So we can actually decrease by ourselves, as you can see. But what we can do is, okay, go to extrusion, take the dimension. This dimension is like 1 foot 9 inches. We need to provide it as, how much dimension is this one actually? 1 inches. So select this one, give it a size of 1 inches. Done, finish. And now as you can see, there's something like wardrobe. Then go to the front view. We need to provide a middle layer to this one. So go to edit extrusion, go to the front view, select the line, go to the middle, make a line from here, then use pick line option and give it an offset of 1 by 2 inches. Okay, 1 by 2 inches, and now use the pick line option, one on the top side and one on the bottom side, build the middle line, then split it. So we are going to split this section and this section, and then we need to trim it. As you can see, this has been easily trimmed. Finish it. Go to 3D view once again, and now you can see your wardrobe. Then we need to provide a do type area on the top of this one. So go to the right side, then go to create. Okay, we are going to use a different material actually. First of all, let me give it a material basing, go to material and keep it as instance, press OK, done. Now go to the right side, go to create extrusion, then select lines, pick this line. Okay, so we need to set the plane first, so set the plane, pick a plane. Okay, and now we need to select this front plane. Now we can make it. So again, go to this line. Okay, go to set once again, pick a plane. Let me try to pick this plane. Go to the right view, then let's try to make an extrusion on top of this one. So I'm using the line option. Okay, now I think that this is aligned. Yes, and over here we need to give it a little bit angular type of door. So keep it at 3 by 4, 1 inches. Let me try it. And keep it something like this. So let me just try it, and if this works out for us. So go to the front view and then just drag it from here to here and check it out. Okay, we need to do the same thing but on the opposite side actually. So go to edit extrusion, rotate it, and let's try to rotate it by 180 degree, and then finish it. We need to make a little bit changes to this one. So this is fine. We need to keep it on the inner side and then try to finish it. So this is how it looks. Then go to right view once again, select the same thing, go to copy it from the top and just try to paste it somewhere over here. Go to 3D view once again, and now you can check it. So this is our wardrobe. After that, go to front view, and now I think this one is done. Let me increase the size of this actually a little bit more. Go to the right side and increase the size of it a little bit. Finish it. Done. Now we need to provide a basing. That is our usual requirement. So what you can do is just hide this one, double S to hide, remember that. Go to the top view, and then I have some of the basing family. Let me see if any one of it works out for us. So I think electrical basing is better. So just go to insert, load family, and here search for that elliptical BC. So this one, let me see, this is the elliptical one. Select this, open it, press CM. Now as you can see, you have the patient. Just put it on the top and check this out. So this is how it looks. And can we give it an elevation? Actually, I don't think we need to provide it with an elevation. It's already looking better. And then we need to provide a tab. So let me see if I have tab family. Yes, I have it, but let me see if I have something in landscape actually. So just go to landscape and asset library. And as you can see, it is taking a little bit time, so just wait for it a little bit. Okay, now press tab. Okay, we have this tab in my family. And press escape, go to the top, go to architecture, go to component, you will get the same tab family. Then just press spacebar to rotate it and place it somewhere here. And as you can see, the tab is not visible to us because the tab has doesn't have a height offset, so we are going to provide it with an offset of 2 feet first. Let's just try it. We need to increase it a little bit more, so 2 feet 6 inches, and now I think that it's fine. Okay, now that it's fine, go to front view once again. We need to provide shower over here. Then we need to make some changes to the ceiling, and then we need to do the same thing with the wall that we have done with the wardrobe. So just select this, create similar. You can just hide this curtain wall, go to the right view and press CM. So CM is our shortcut, as you can remember. And then just provide it anywhere. First of all, let's just hide all of these things. So whatever we have made, just hide all this. Double S to hide it, double S to hide it. Select this all and you can hide it. Okay, let's just concentrate on our wall right now. Select this wall and then let's keep it on this side actually, and go to east view. I think east view work was double S to hide it, hide everything. Select this one, hide, select this, hide, select the wardrobe, hide it. Okay, let's not do that. What we can else do is just go to the level 1, go to section view and make a section from here. Go to the section view and now you can see that. Okay, go to level 1 once again, cancel it, remove it. Now level 1 and now let's try make it smaller from this side and this side too. Double click on this one to open this. Select this wardrobe, hide it. Now you can see your wall. select this one. Let me try to do the array once again actually. So array last number 10. So I don't know why array is not working. Okay, first here and last one is here. Yes, now it has worked for us. And give it an 10 in number, I think. Okay, you can move the last one and do it. Okay, so actually we need to provide it till here. So undo it, select it, array it, then array from here to here, move it like this, select this one and give it a number, something like 10, and I think that is fine. Okay, then press HR and hide the front wall. Okay, we are going to make this front wall later on. I'm going to delete it right now. So this is our wall looks. Now we need to make the same thing on the horizontal side. So go to the front view. For that you can go to south view and then again select this, press CS and then just press spacebar one time and then adjust this void. So this is how you can adjust it and copy it. So copy 1 2 3 and the last one, done. So we need to do the same thing on this side also. So again select this, where's that, select this, or you can go to CM for the component and then press spacebar one time, and as you can see go to 3D view and let's try to move it, or you can align it actually. So align with this one. Okay, we cannot align it like that. What we can do is hide this wall, hide this one, hide this wardrobe also, and we can just try it. So we cannot change the size of it. Save the project, always remember that. Go to the south or the west view, select your wall, select the wall, hide it. Okay, we cannot do the same thing on that side also. Let me just delete it and again go to the component and just try to press spacebar one time and place it over here. So now will it work out? No. So we also need to hide this one. Again go to component, place on the face actually, press spacebar, place on the face, and let's just keep it this way. Go to the west view, attach it over here and then attach it till this place, then copy it, 1 2 3, and now I think we are done. Go to 3D view and now as you can check it out. So we are almost done, but yes, we have done something wrong over here. You can undo it and Let me try to align it once again by some other way. So again, select it, go to the right view, move it like this, select this, edit in place. Actually, no, not this one. Load into project, this is fine. We just need to take the height of it. So you can go to the level one, go to 3D view. Let me check if we can get the dimension in 3D view. No. So go to the north view or the south view, take the dimension from the bottom till this place. The middle of it is 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, and as you can see, this is a little bit on the top side, so just align it 1 feet 6 inches. Remember that. Go to 3D view once again. This is our east view, I think, or the west view. Let me try. So hide it, select this void and give it an height of 1 foot 6 inches minus 1 by 2 inches, minus 1 by 2 inches. Okay, 1 foot 6 inches. Let's keep it like that, make it smaller, then go to 3D, and now as you can see, this has been aligned. So now we can copy it. Select this one, copy from the very bottom side, from here to here to here to here, and okay, just align it with the help of keyboard. Align this one and the last one. So CM space bar, undo, copy, right side, copy it from here, this place, and now with the help of keyboard you can align it. Now as you can see, everything has been aligned. What now you can do is just select this wall, delete this and this, then select the wall, go to the top and mirror it from the middle of it. Now we have the same wall on the both sides. Select all the voids. Okay, this didn't work out for us. So hide this one, hide this wall, select this, go to the top, mirror it from select, mirror, and now we need to mirror this one also. So what else we can do to mirror it? Hide this one, hide this also, hide all these things, double S to hide it, select this, go to the right view, select all, then go to the top view. Now try to mirror it, delete instance, and now I think we are done. Press HR, and yes, this is what I wanted. Now we need to provide the color to it, then we are going to provide it with the shower and some of the panel of the shower. So that's it. Go to the front view and select the wall first. Go to edit type, go to category, by category. We are going to make a new material. Select a material, rename it, and give it a name of green wall material, or you can say green material. Green material done. Go to the screen material, use render appearance, then select the color of it. So go to RGB value, and as I told you, I already have an RGB value that is 64, 76, 76. So we are going to provide this same value over here, 64, 76 and 76. And okay, this is the color that I wanted, and you can also provide it with a warmth, or you can just leave it. You can also give it reflectivity, so you can increase the reflectivity and actually just decrease it, something like this. A little bit of reflectivity would work out for us. Just apply it, okay, and so, just copy this material color, press okay, okay, and done. Now select your this wall. This is already provided with the same color, as you can see. Now we need to make the changes to the green, this back wall. So this is actually 9 inches wall. So just go to this wall, go to edit type, by category, and you can select this green material, or you can copy paste the same name. So okay, after that we need to provide this wardrobe with the same material. So first of all, we are going to select this wardrobe material, and that is also green, and this void storage is of wooden color. So just select any of the slash wood or something like that. So I have this show of wood over here. Okay, we don't have wood, so what we can do is just search for wood over here, and now you will see some of this birch wood. So just load it, press, you can use the render appearance, apply, okay, and just go to realistic view and check this out. Okay, so in render appearance it will look better one, and the wood material is provided, yes. After that we can keep it at consistent colors. Then we already provided the mirror and this color. We need to provide something in the background of this wall. So as I told you, we need to make some changes to this wall. So just select this wall, go to the front view, go to edit in place, and then where's that wall, select this wall, go to the front view, edit extrusion, and keep this wall till this basin oil actually. Okay, and then we need to provide it with something of marble color. So as you know, I have provided a wall over here. So just go to uh, first of all, let me finish it, select it. Okay, don't select it, go to insert decal, and then we are going to provide it with an image. Select decal and rename it as bathroom marble. Okay, then we need to select an source image. So go to toilet folder, desktop, toilet, and here I have an image. So let me increase the size of it, this image. Okay, this will work out for us. And then just provide this decal over here and select, just provide it one time, select it, keep it like this. You can also use the material option. Okay, so this is not working out for us, so we can provide the decal material, actually wall material. So select your extrusion, edit in place, select this one, go to material. This is a structural material. Did I make this? I don't remember that. Okay, just go to this place and give it a name. wall material, keep it as instance. Okay, finish it. Go to manage material, make a new material, create new material, and rename it as one dot wall image. Okay, done. Go to graphics. Okay, you can also use the render appearance over here. Go to select image, select this image. Now we need to do, what we have to do is we need to resize it. So resize it as 3 feet by 5 feet and check it out. So just unlink this one, 3 feet. So as I can remember, it was something like 3 feet 6 inches, so keep it as 3 feet 6 inches, and then done. Apply, select your wall, go to editing. Okay, we already have a wall material, so select this wall material. Okay, it is actually dimension, so go to edit in place, select this one, go to this. This is actually a structural material. I don't know why it is showing as an structural material, so just give it a name of material instance. Okay, done. Go to this place. Over here you can find this. Okay, we can delete the structural material panel actually, so just select the structural material and edit, delete parameter. Now let me check it out. So I deleted this parameter. No, this is not being deleted, so you can just select this material one from here. Go to category. I just made this image. Okay, apply it. Okay, finish it. So now we have this toilet. After that we just need to provide a shower. So shower and this tap. Okay, so first of all let me check it out. So upgrade the model. I just double clicked it and now we have this. Go into project, toilet. Okay, go to the, you can press escape, or where's that place, CM, the component shortcut, and then okay, 3D view, CM, and as you can see a little bit of the shadow, as you can see from here. You can press space bar to change the orientation. Now you have this shower. You can place it in the middle. Then go to 3D view. As you can see, we have the shower. Go to the front view, and if you want to increase the size of the shower, let me check if we can do that. On the top, go to the reference line. This is our tap and this is our shower, so we can increase the size of it by 3 feet 6 inches. Done. Remove constraint, load into project. Okay, override the existing version, and now as you can see this is on the top and nothing has been left. That is our tap. So where's the tap? I have on the tap family over here. You can also double click it, upgrade this model, then load into project. Just go to load into project. Okay, the toilet project, and go to 3D view. If we can put it over here, yes, we can directly put it. No, so I have misplaced it, but you can use the move tool move it in this direction, then again move on the top somewhere over here, and as you can see, you can find the middle of it. Go to 3D view. As you can see, this has not been placed on the right instance, so again select the move button, select the top of it, and let me provide it somewhere over here. Go to 3D view, okay, go to hidden lines. Now it is not visible to us actually, so go to the wireframe mode, select your tab, go to left, move it somewhere over here. Go to 3D hidden lines, select your wall, hide it. This is our tab, and now I think it's fine. Yes, the tap is at the right place. Now we have the shower, we have everything that we need in a toilet except the ceiling that has not been changed yet, so we need to provide the material to the ceiling. Just go to edit type, go to edit, and here you can change this finish to anything that is white. So I'm just using the gypsum wallboard. Where's that white gypsum wallboard? Okay, and then press OK. And now I think we are done with this one, and then we need to provide some of the elements from the landscape. So again go to the okay, before going to landscape, let me also see where else we need to provide the material. So yes, we need to provide a marble over here. So for that, go to level 1, architecture, component, model in place. Okay, let me go to 3D view first, front view, and we are going to make that. Okay, no, we have to make it on this side only. Component, model in place, generate model, and marble. Okay, and select extrusion, set a plane, pick a plane, and pick this plane. Go to the okay, we can try to make it from this place. To this place and move it a little bit from both the sides, something like this and something like this. Okay, go to front view, move it a little bit on the inner side, and then finish it. Select this one. Actually, I'm now set at start at 0 and end at 1 inches. Okay, finish it. Select the floor and the ceiling, hide it. Select this one, go to the top view, go to edit in place, select your model, go to extrusion, and then pick lines, and then make a cut inside this. Finish it. Okay, we have made a larger cut. So again go to extrusion, pick the line. Now let's try to pick the outer side of it. So this one and this one. Select this, and delete this. Select the inner side actually. Delete this side and then try to finish it. And now we have the exact cut. Finish it. select this one. We need to provide it with a marble material, so for that I'm going to Enscape material, and here I'm going to find a marble material. So just go to the stones, and here you will find the marble import section, marble 01 its name, uh, and go to manage, go to materials, and for going to material, select this one, edit in place, select this one, give it a parameter and rename it as marble floor and instance. Okay, select this, finish it, select this one, go to by category, and here we will have one marble one, select this, finish it, select this one also, edit type, duplicate it, and duplicate it as marble. Go to edit, we have a structure one, keep it at 4 inches, and then insert a finished material, go to this, select the marble material and give it a size of 2 inches. So in whole we have like 4 inches structure and 2 inches marble, so now we have 6 inches floor. Over here press HR on your keyboard, and now we need to provide something over here. So for that, go to Landscape, Asset Library, then go to Bathroom, and here you can find some of the toggle and all the families that we can use to keep it over here. So go to level 1 first, use this toggle, and keep this toggle over here, press escape, go to wireframe mode, select this one, give it a height offset of 2 feet 6 inches, and let's go to 3D view. So yet this one is not visible. Go to wireframe mode, select this, give it a height offset of 3 feet 4 inches maybe. Yet this is not working out for us, so we need to increase it. 3 feet 6 inches 4 feet 3 feet 10 inches 8 inches. Yes, so 3 feet 8 inches is the height of this void. Then again let's provide some more. Use the soap tray, go to level 1, press escape, go to level 1, press CM, you will get the soap tray. Select this and give it a height of 3 feet 8 inches. Done. Then again go to Landscape and towel basket. No, we don't need that. Soap dispenser, you can use that. You can also use this shower head, and you can use this type of mirrors. And folded towel, no, we don't require that. You can also use the bathtub over here. Now instead of shower you can use a bathtub. And let's put a cream. Over here, and cream tube 2. So this is enough for us. Select this and select this one, give it a height of 3 feet 8 inches. Done. And go to 3D, go to realistic view, and this is how it looks right now. Then press HR. Okay, we need to make a wall, and then we need to provide a door. So just go to this, select the wall, press CS, and make a 9 inches wall over here. Okay, before that we still need to make some more changes to it. So first of all, select your curtain wall, and select this, hide it, select your curtain wall. Now this is our curtain wall. Go to the right view, edit profile, you can make it a little bit smaller like this, remove constraint, finish it. Then we need to provide a mullion. Go to architecture, go to mullions, and then in mullion, as you can see, it is 5 by 5 inches. Okay, we just go to edit type and change the material of it. You can also duplicate it and rename it as black mullion. Okay, now instead of aluminum, what you can do is you can make a new material, rename it as 1 dot black mullion. Okay, then go to 3D and this asset library, then go to metal, search anything that is black. So anodized black aluminum material, this is it. Finish, apply. Okay, and now just provide the mullions, or what you can do is you can decrease the size of this mullion. So right now it is at one and 1 by 4. So you can just remove this one and remove this one. So let's just keep it at 1 by 4 or maybe 1 by 2. We'll check it out later on. Okay, this is fine actually. Okay, now it's fine. Go to level 1, select this wall, CS on your keyboard, press yes, then make a wall, select this one, go to 3D view, and then we need to press HR. We need to provide a door. Just select any of the doors. So right now I have one of the door that I usually use in my Revit project. So just go to insert. Okay, go to door first, then insert, and then select this door. Okay, and you can keep this door on this side. So what you can do is go to level 1, DR is the door shortcut. You can place this door on this side, then you can move it like this. Go to 3D view. This is our door, and let me check if anything else is left. So I think this is our complete project, and then go to Inkscape, start with the rendering, and let's see how it comes out. So we have already passed the 1 hour 32 minutes mark, actually 1 hour 30-minute mark. Just go to the toilet. Okay, let me hide the front wall for now. So we have not provided any of the light material and attached top base. Select this one and hide it. Select the wall and hide it. Now go to 3D view. So this is our toilet. This is our mirror. And I think this tab is not looking good to us. So we are going to provide it with some different color, and this is how our interior of the toilet looks like. So then all are the voids over here. We have this wall, the mirror, the wardrobe, the basin, the marble, and this one, the WC, and a place to store something over here. And we are just going to change this tab, and I think we are finished. So just change this tab, select this. First of all, we need to move it a little bit on the inner side. So select it and move it on the inner side. Go to right view, move it with the help of your keyboard, or you can just select the move and move it like this. So now it is at the right place. Select this one, go to edit in place and select this one. I think that there should be an option to provide it with the material. So material finishes. So there's no material. Actually, this was the material, but this is white actually, and we need something of different colors. So just place this as one dot golden tap. Okay, so now go to metal. You can find anything that is golden or copper or bronze type. So I think this copper, no, this is a little bit too shiny for us, so we are going to use this bronze. I think, yes, bronze, this one, and press OK, apply, and then load into project, and let's now override the existing version. Yes, that option, save the project, and now let's see. So now we have this tap, this shower, and everything else. This is how our toilet looks like, and I thought the color would be something like this, but it didn't come out the way I wanted. Okay, it is actually like that, but when we provide it with the other background. So this is our updated toilet, and thank you for watching. And you will find this file in the description. Let me just hide the wall once again, actually, front wall. And now we have it. So you can also change the color of this door to the same color if you want to. So this is how we do the interior rendering of the toilet, and in next video maybe I will do something of multi-story building, or if you will suggest me, then I can make some more interior design video of the kitchen and living room and bedrooms. So one by one I can do that. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, and you will find this file in the description.